My name is Jessica Sciara. I am an associate attorney at the law firm of Einhorn, Barbarito, Frost, Botwinick, Nunn, and Musmano. I have been practicing family law for the entirety of my legal career. I was a law clerk for a family law judge in the Superior Court of New Jersey, Warren, Somerset, and Hunterdon counties. And after that, I worked at a smaller law firm up in Sussex County, New Jersey, practicing family law before I moved to Einhorn Barbarito to practice. And I work very closely with my colleague, James, and I'll let him introduce himself.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. My name is James DeStefano. I've been practicing family law for my entire career also. I started my career as a law clerk to Judge Gilson, who was a judge up in Sussex County. And from there, I joined Einhorn Barbarito in 2012. So I've been practicing family law exclusively for the last 13 years. And my practice generally deals with high net worth divorces and high net worth individuals. I do all aspects of family law, including prenuptial agreements, but I do have a primary focus. Today's presentation will be a survey of family law in New Jersey. We could probably speak on this topic for several hours, but we have a 1 hour time limit, and I'm sure you're all pleased that it's only an hour long. But we will do our best to get through all of these topics. They are very important, and they will give you the nuts and bolts of New Jersey family law and the things that you need to know if you're going to practice in this area.
So we are going to start off with matrimonial procedure. So this is when you're trying to initiate a divorce case. So in order to initiate a divorce case, you have to file pleadings, and where you file your pleadings is very important. So jurisdiction over divorce matters, which fall under the FM docket. Either spouse must be a resident of the state of New Jersey for at least 1 year prior to the filing of a complaint for divorce, unless the cause of action is for adultery. And later in the presentation, we will get into the various causes of action for divorce cases in New Jersey. The most common is irreconcilable differences. And when you're looking at jurisdiction over child custody matters, which fall under the FD docket in New Jersey. So FM, that's for married persons, and the FD docket is for people who were not married but have a child in common. Those jurisdiction over those matters falls under the Uniform Child Custody and Enforcement Act. When you look at venue, so that you have to look at jurisdiction